Hi guys. How are you? Welcome back to Appgeeker channel. In today's video, I will show you how to unlock iPhone 6s without iTunes and passcode. iPhone is disabled. Try again in X minute. That's not too bad, it can be worse. iPhone is disabled. Connect with iTunes. These messages on screen almost mean you have typed in the passcode wrong repeatedly. Don't worry. Now I am going to show you 2 ways to unlock iPhone 6s without iTunes. The first method is so simple that it can unlock your iPhone 6s just in a few clicks. What you need to prepare is a computer and a USB cable. This method I will use a third-party tool named iPhone Unlocker from Appgeeker, which can help you unlock and reset iPhone without iTunes and passcode. Okay, let's start. Step 1. Open the unlocker and connect your iPhone 6s to the computer via a USB cable. You can see 3 parts on the main screen. Select the top part, Wipe Passcode. In the next window, click the Start button. Then let us place the iPhone 6s into recovery mode by following the on-screen direction. Press and hold the side button until the power off slider appears. Drag the slider to turn off your device. Keep holding the home button until you see the recovery mode screen. Step 2. Confirm your device information and click the Start button. Step 3. A firmware package will be downloading. Let us wait a few minutes. Okay, the firmware package has been downloaded. Click the unlock on screen. Here pops up a precaution, read it. 1. Removing the lock screen passcode will erase all your data. 2. Your device will be updated to the latest iOS version. 3. If Find My iPhone is enabled on the device, you need to enter iCloud password to reset the device after unlocking. Got it. Just enter 0000 to confirm unlocking. All done, let's move to the last step. Press the unlock button. Now it starts to reset the device. Wait for a while. Congratulations, you can get the access to your device. Another method you can achieve the same goal is by using Apple's Find My iPhone, which can help you reset your iPhone if they are stolen. You can take advantage of that ability for your disabled iPhone 6s as well. Now let's start to fix the disabled device. Open a browser and visit https://www.icloud.com/find. Log in with your Apple ID and password. Click on the device of yours that is currently disabled. Click Erase iPhone, and then click Erase to confirm. Enter your Apple ID password to authenticate. Attention! Once your device has been wiped, it will power up as any new iPhone would. Now, you can unlock your iPhone 6s. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this video can help you unlock the disabled iPhone 6s without iTunes and passcode. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. See you in the next video.